on a tightly fitted joint, we need to use our traditional polymeric sand and consolidate that instead of with water, with effort, with frequency from a compactor. Let's take a look. The DBT9, 1,750-pound payload, 9 cubic foot capacity. No more pushing a wheelbarrow, it's a power barrel. And with tracks, it's all terrain, all conditions. I'm using the BR1570. It's part of a complete line of reversible vibratory plate compactors from Bartell Global. Everything from 11,000 pound to 3,500 pound centrifugal force rating, giving you the best price, including the polymer pad and the wheel kit, and the best productivity. Same speed, forward and reverse. My goal, get the G2 Rapid Set OSHA compliant polymeric sand in the joints that spreads the loads via shear transfer and prevents point loading. That's unit to unit contact. That's even important with cuts, making sure that you have a 1/16 to 3/16 inch joint spacing, which can be checked with a putty knife. That gives interlocking pavements their flexibility that makes them so durable. In order to protect the surface, I'll get 1/4 inch plywood, 2 pieces, and I'll run my plate compactor over them. Thicker if I'm laying plank stones or slabs. Then I'll play leapfrog. I can use remnant carpet from a local flooring or big box store. Or I can use the supplied polymer pad, mounted front and back because it's reversible. Remember, the handle-mounted throttle. We're not compacting, we're only consolidating the joint fill to the bottom of the chamfer or bevel on the paving stones. I've been in the industry over 25 years, and I never thought when I started that I would be making this statement, but I'm gonna make it. Are you ready? Your forward-running plate, your forward-running vibratory plate compactor is obsolete. Get rid of it. You no longer need one. That reversible vibratory plate, that small unit, the BR1570, does everything really well, and it is so much more productive. It is worth the investment. Anyone who didn't come to this seminar, sell them your forward-running plate and get that small reversible plate because it does everything. Trenches, it does backfill on retaining walls, it does consolidation of joint fill very, very well. Now, do they have a full line? Yes, absolutely. Are there a lot of great companies out there with big compactors? Yes, absolutely. But this one is a home run. Don't miss that opportunity.
Here's the proper place to fill your joint stand to. If you fill it up too high, you can actually traffic it off and cause failure of it. If you fill it up too low, then a lot more water is going to get in there and you're going to lose rotational interlock of that unit.
You'll agitate it with traffic. You don't want to do that. Take a picture of the screen. If you're overfilling your joints, it can lead to their detriment. So make sure you keep it below the chamfer, not above it.